Welcome to another video, guys. This time I'm going to show you how to log in into your TikTok and your Android device. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to open the application. The very first time you open the application, it's going to show up something like this, which is kind of like a tutorial, and it's going to ask you for your interest. So we're going to select just a few of them here. We're going to select comedy, who doesn't like to laugh, right? Food as well, who doesn't like to eat. Let's see what else. Animals, and just a few others, just so we can have some additional content in there. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go next, and then again the tutorial, and let's go ahead and continue to the next. So in here, what it basically is going to show, it's all the videos based on your preferences. This is a comedy video. We're going to go to the account, and then we're going to just select sign up, but since we already have something, we're going to log in right at the bottom. And the ones who follow me actually know that I created a TikTok account previously. I'm going to leave the link to the description, and we're just going to log in using that information. So let me just input the information here. You can just log in with any account you may have. So I'm just going to wait. And there you go, it's asking us if we're human. Oops. My bad there. And let's try again. There you go. Perfect. Alright, so that should be getting us to our account. And there you go. So that shows us a video. Let's go ahead and check our account. Let's start technique. There you go. And basically that is pretty much it. Subscribe.